Hi everybody, it's Deborah from workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching today's video. Today's video is called Start Affiliate Marketing Business, Full Year of Training for $4.95. If you have been here before, you know I own a website called workathomeonlineforfree.com where I teach people how to do what I do, which is affiliate marketing. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact training that I received that made me a full-time affiliate marketer. I'm going to use this article on the website called Start Affiliate Marketing Business, Full Year of Training for $4.95 for today's video. I'm going to give you a link to the article in the description box, and I'll also give you a link to the training that we're talking about in today's video. Wealthy Affiliate offers a full year of training to start an affiliate marketing business for $495. This full affiliate marketing training course includes over 120 video training classes, weekly live training webinars, and tons more. I'm going to give you the link to go ahead and enroll for the full year of training for $495. The training course to start affiliate marketing includes their online entrepreneur certification, which is 50 lessons. That's a fancy schmancy names for beginner training. Affiliate marketing for beginners. That's what that training course is. It includes 50 step-by-step video lessons. It also includes their affiliate bootcamp training, which is more advanced training. It's 70 lessons. It includes weekly live interactive classes, over 300 hours of expert education available anytime. Those are expert courses and webinars that are pre-recorded so you can watch them anytime. A gigantic catalog of industry training. Sorry for the interruption. 12 classrooms evolving daily, your own authority blog at Wealthy Affiliate, earn money creating your own training. These are just some of the things that are included in what's called the premium membership at Wealthy Affiliate, which is what we're talking about here. Additional major benefits and bonuses include WordPress websites. You get your WordPress website for free with this training. You also get your website hosting for free with this training. It's included. There's an interruption in the article, so I'm going to interrupt briefly to go ahead and invite you to sign up for my email list if you would like to. If you sign up for that about once a week or so, you'll get an email from my website, workathomeonlineforfree.com, and it'll be all about making money online. I think you'll find it valuable, but if you don't, you can always unsubscribe at any time. Also included in the program is a keyword research tools, advanced website training, mentoring community that cares. My experience with Wealthy Affiliate, I've been a premium member of Wealthy Affiliate since 2015. I started with their free starter training that August. Then that November, I upgraded to the premium membership, which is the $495 deal that I'm talking with you about today, to continue the training. As a result of my training at Wealthy Affiliate, I now own several money-making websites. I have 2 YouTube channels, an email list of more than 4,000 subscribers, and a large following on several social media platforms for both of my websites. They taught me step by step how to start my own affiliate marketing business. It's amazing, especially since I started as a complete beginner. For more information about my story, you can go to the homepage of my website. I'll give you the link in the description box, and you can hear a little bit more about what I did before this and how I got into affiliate marketing. You won't find a better, more complete course for starting an affiliate marketing business. Whether you're a beginner or if you're experienced and can jump right into the more advanced training, I know that Wealthy Affiliate is the place to be. It's the best training for the best price. I hope you'll make this your year. Sign up for the annual premium membership deal, commit to 1 year to learning how to start an affiliate marketing business, and by the end of the year, you will have built your own online business. That's what I did, and I have never looked back. Again, I'm going to give you a link to go ahead and get started. Now, just to clarify, I'm going to give you a link to Wealthy Affiliate. They have a free starter membership that is free. All you need is your email. You get 10 free classes with that if you want to go ahead and try it out. Then they have the premium membership, which is $49 a month, but they give you your first month for $19. So for $19, you could try out the full premium membership. They also have the full year of premium membership, which is what we're talking about in today's video, for $495. You save about 2 months worth if you buy the whole year's worth instead of paying monthly. And then it's your choice whether or not to renew that when it comes up for renewal. But it is a full year of training, and I can tell you from personal experience, you couldn't live long enough to do all the training that is available in Wealthy Affiliate when you're a premium member. They have over 300 webinars. I mean, that alone, it's like an hour, 2-hour live training webinars. I mean, how could you possibly, even live long enough to do all these classes? So you won't run out of training. You won't be stuck. You will, in fact, be able to start your own affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is Wealthy Affiliates' specialty. They've been doing it since 2005. They know their stuff. They're extremely helpful. I have enjoyed the membership very much. I've been a premium member for about a little more than 6 years now, about 6.5 years. So I do highly recommend it. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to go ahead and comment below and ask me. And I would love it so much if you do try out Wealthy Affiliate, come back to the video and leave a comment so that other people watching this video in the future can get your real life review of what you thought of it. Again, thanks so much for watching. My name is Deborah, and my website is workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks again. Bye-bye.